Colleagues, we are just to finish. For your discipline and patience for the last time. We are just finishing. You have been awesome. You have been awesome. You know, as Motheo Education District MEC, we are what we are. We are who we are because of your responsive, supportive leadership. MEC, your accessibility, your availability has made us who we are and what we are. We really want to appreciate you, MEC. This is a token of our appreciation, MEC. We don't have gold, we don't have silver. MEC, can you hand over to the MEC? Yes. We also want to say, MEC, if there is one visible leader who supports education, I call her an activist. Mama Action wa education. Mama Action wa education. Majoro Warona. Thank you very much, Majoro. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Majoro. Thank you very much, MEC Majoro. We may take this. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the district director, Mr. D.S. Motheo, the MEC for Education, Mr. Motheo, the councillor, the mayor, Councillor 24, Manitoba Municipality, Metropolis. We are at the tail end of the function. On your tables, there are nice bottles.